Hey, so in this video, you learn how you can design your own logo using website Looka.com. So what I'm going to do first is enter my company name and get started. Next, I need to select my industry and click to continue. From here, I can select a number of different logos that I think look good and click continue. Next, I can select some colors and click to continue. Add a slogan here and click to continue. The next step is to pick some symbols and continue. Just in a few seconds, Looka will automatically generate some ideas for a logo. If I find one that I like, I can select it and customize that logo. So I think this looks good. Now, if I want, I can sign up and I can download the brand kit. When I do this, I will have to purchase one of these plans that you see on the screen. If you want to create a logo for free, then click the link in the description.